I'm curious how well the mural will show up in a home theater while watching a movie with low or no lights on. It's going to show up. Even with low lights, if you've recently turned off the UV lights that charge them, and you have some of your darker scenes you're going to see a beautiful mural. The more lighted scenes, it's going to wash out a lot more. And it depends on, at the end of the movie, you're going to see less because the paint's going to dim. But you're going to see some stars during the darker scenes. And if you want to see the mural during the movie, I'd refer you to this 365 nanometer floodlight that you can throw up on the ceiling, and it's gonna get them to fluoresce. It's gonna be beautiful. So depends on how bright the movie is and how well your stars are charged up.